Experiencing a frozen screen or no sound in your Vauxhall Astra's infotainment system? You're not alone. These are common issues, especially in models from 2015-2023. The good news is that many problems are software related and can be fixed with simple resets. First, try a soft reset by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. If that doesn't work, a hard reset by disconnecting the car battery for 30 minutes can often resolve the problem. For no sound, try pressing the volume and mute buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds to reboot the amplifier. If you have a newer 2024-2025 model, check for over-the-air software updates from Stellantis, which often include bug fixes. Remember, always back up any important data before attempting a reset. If basic resets don't solve your Astra's infotainment problems, further action might be required. For older models without OTA updates, visiting a Vauxhall dealer for a professional reset or software update might be necessary, especially if the issue persists or falls under warranty. Also, keep in mind that irregular updates often lead to software issues. Regular software updates can prevent 70% of common problems. Stellantis' surveys show that 65% of reported issues are solved by resets. However, if the issue is hardware-related, such as the screen or amp, contact a professional. To prevent future problems, ensure your system is always up to date and avoid overloading it with too many apps or Bluetooth devices. In the long term, advancements such as machine learning for failure detection will reduce the number of resets needed.